Hello, lovers of food. I understand, you enjoy munching. Honestly, who doesn't? The issue is that we frequently are unaware of the extent of the harm we are causing to our hearts. We should discuss some meals you should take out if you want to get healthier. Does soda make the list? Consider bacon. Just a moment, pizza? That is really going too far. Keep checking back as we discuss all of this and more. I did said it, pizza. Pasta. Let's get right to it. Everyone adores pizza. Most of us, anyway. Should you fail to do so, what is your problem? Are you considering your health or something else? I'm joking. Ask someone why they declined a slice of pizza the next time you see them. Their response will probably surprise you. It's true that eating pizza can seriously harm your heart. Yes. Occasionally having a slice is okay, but consider all you're getting out of it. On average, a single slice of cheese pizza contains 340 calories. You get about 10 grams of fat and 460 milligrams of salt from that. One slice provides 20% of your daily intake. You are consuming all of your recommended daily amount of sodium if, like many of us, you eat 5 slices at once. Some folks eat pizza several times a week because it's usually quick and easy. It would be difficult to locate a college student who hasn't consumed it daily at some time. However, the excess fat and salt is raising your chance of having a heart attack. Your arteries will get clogged, requiring your heart to beat harder. Reducing the amount of pizza you eat is the best thing you can do for your heart. It seems like an unachievable goal. Fortunately for you, I'm not advising you to give it up completely. Try to limit it to once a week rather than several times. I promise that the pizza will taste even better after the wait. A bit fewer bacon pieces in the skillet. Abacus. Right now, we seem to be eliminating all of your favorites, don't we? Sometimes, tough love just stinks. I hate to tell you this, but bacon clogs your arteries. Your heart has to pump blood twice as hard as it would otherwise. You might find yourself in a hospital bed if you don't take this seriously. The more bacon you eat, the more harmful cholesterol it raises. All of this is attributable to saturated fat. A single bacon strip provides 3% of your recommended daily intake of saturated fat. 11% of your sodium is also present in that same strip. Therefore, your heart is under more stress the more bacon you eat. Research has indicated that elevated cholesterol levels are associated with 75% of heart attacks. Similar to pizza, you might wish to limit your consumption of bacon to once per week. Beef jerky? Better yet, dead meat. Crimson meat. I apologize for the slight pun, but now let's get serious. Your heart is suffering significant harm from red meat. Although red meats such as lamb, pig, and cattle taste nice, we are often unaware of the amount of saturated fat they contain in a meal. Your heart will be under pressure and your cholesterol will rise as a result. According to a study, eating red meat and processed meat together elevated your risk of coronary heart disease by 9%. I would choose a skinny, sliced amount of steak than a thick one. You're losing weight in this method. Refuse that soda. Pop. You are aware of the well-known Pepsi-Coke controversy, correct? I think we should stop that right now. It doesn't matter which of these soft drinks you select. Either way, it will ultimately do harm to your heart. It is advised that an adult consume 24 to 36 grams of sugar per day on average. A single Coca-Cola can has 32 grams in it. That alone is enabling the average female to consume significantly more than the daily recommended amount. Furthermore, he's coming in close for the typical male. Sugar-filled beverages are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular illnesses. They will not only make you more susceptible to diabetes in the future, but they will also severely tax your heart. I understand the allure of a Coke on a sweltering summer day. However, if your health is a concern, you should definitely switch to water from Pepsi. The next time you're at the grocery store's soft drink section, give this some thought. Alcohol and heart health don't mix. Liquor. When we talk about bad beverages, we frequently discuss how drinking impacts other facets of your life. We don't discuss the emotional harm it causes. Regular alcohol consumption raises the risk of high blood pressure. This eventually results in a heart attack or stroke. Additionally, there is a condition known as cardiomyopathy. Cardiomyopathy. This occurs when there is significant heart muscle injury that makes pumping blood more difficult. Alcoholic cardiomyopathy is a condition that can develop after excessive drinking. Studies reveal that individuals with this illness typically consume higher amounts of alcohol compared to the general population. I am aware that summer has arrived and that cold, fresh beer is beckoning. But before you start eating that 12-pack, you might want to consider the state of your heart. Let's be honest about French fries for once. Fries in France. Everybody has occasional unexpected cravings for fries. I'll be the first to acknowledge it, so trust me. You will rush to the closest drive-thru as soon as you spot someone eating McDonald's French fries. I'm sorry to tell you, but eating fries makes your ticker very stressed out. A just medium portion of McDonald's fries contains about 400 calories. This comprises 10% of your daily sodium intake and 14% of your daily saturated fat. Imagine what it would be like to go big or even supersize. If you're not scared by that, maybe this will be. According to research, eating French fries more than 3 times a week increases the risk of dying young. Therefore, consider ordering fast food sans the fries if you're in the mood for it. Consider having a salad. Although it may not sound like much fun, the benefits will eventually outweigh the costs. Soup from a can truly? Take out soup. This is a surprise, to be sure. When most people hear the term, unhealthy food, they typically picture junk food. Unbelievably, canned food is included in this group as well. Consider the chicken noodle. Although it has few calories, a single cup provides approximately 38% of your daily sodium intake. About 92 comes in a whole can. This combination will assault your heart in addition to having a high fat content. The fact that a lot of people depend on canned goods is alarming. People often take them several times a week without recognizing they are raising their blood pressure because they are so affordable and easily accessible. Making soup from scratch is your best option if you're in the mood for it. Consider preparing it in low-sodium broth. Design sure you read the can label if you don't have time to design your own. The brand you choose should have the lowest possible fat and sodium content. Indeed, yogurt. Greek yogurt. This one is also unexpected. Apparently, some of your favorite junk food has been tainted by us. For balance, we thought it would be good to include a few healthy ones. Well, I say, healthy, loosely in the case of yogurt. Yogurt that is minimal in fat is one of the only varieties that is truly healthy for you. People consume full-fat, flavored yogurt thinking they are improving their health, even though it is high in sugar. Actually, it's having the opposite effect. High blood pressure, inflammation, and weight gain have all been related to full-fat yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is low in fat by reading the label if you want nice yogurt. People are so ready to choose the type that looks the nicest and put it in their shopping cart that it is simple to overlook this. Yogurt that is Greek is especially nutritious. It's packed with nutrients and has a low cholesterol content. You should not eat ice cream. Cream ice. Alright, now that it's over with, we can carry on destroying the enjoyable stuff. You've undoubtedly heard that eating too much ice cream can cause tooth decay. But it's not just festering there. Your emotions might truly be at war with ice cream. You already know that ice cream is incredibly high in sugar. However, most are unaware that the combination of fat and sugar raises their triglyceride levels to dangerously high levels. The blood contains a form of fat called triglycerides. You run a higher risk of having a heart attack if your triglycerides rise frequently. For many of us, ice cream is a guilty pleasure. It is overindulged in by even older folks. Consider choosing the variety with the least quantity of fat and sugar if you're minding your health. It's not the right chicken you're eating. Hens. Similar to red meat, there is no right or wrong way to prepare chicken. Some people prefer it baked, while others prefer it pan-grilled. I have no judgment to render. Just be aware that you should keep an eye on yourself if you're the fried chicken kind. A person with cardiovascular issues may find that the combination of high fat and sodium content puts their heart to the test. According to a 2019 study, eating fried chicken frequently increases the risk of dying from a heart attack. If you want to add some variation, bread your skinless chicken, transfer it to a baking dish, and bake it. Compared to the sort straight from the deep fryer, this is far healthier for you. There are a lot of other factors to take into account. but your diet is undoubtedly vital to your health. Are you curious to know more? How about we continue the discussion with a few more videos about health? What you should know is as follows. See these 11 easy exercises that pay off after just one session. What about foods that prevent heart attacks and clean your arteries? Feel free to click one. Better yet, watch both to find out more about how to achieve your desired level of physical fitness. After watching this video, are you thinking of reducing your intake of any of these foods? Tell us in the comments section below. Using Videolytics.